Hi everybody, welcome back to Science with Sandra. For the second part of today's lesson, we're going to take a look at patterns. There's lots of ways we can explore patterns. I have a book we'll look at together, and then we'll take some time to explore patterns together. Patterns are everywhere. You can see patterns wherever you go. Patterns are everywhere. Do you see the ice cream cones? There's patterns on the cones. In the garden, the petals and seeds on the sunflower make a pattern. A butterfly has the same pattern on both of its wings. At home, there are lots of patterns. Can you see the pattern on the bathroom floor? The pillow has a zigzag pattern. Our seasons follow a pattern: spring, summer, winter, fall. Your day follows a pattern. You get up in the morning and go to sleep at night. There are lots of patterns like stripes. Stripes make a pattern. What colors can you see in the striped socks? You can see patterns. See if you can spot the patterns on these buildings. Look out for patterns on the road, like the sidewalk. Shout out patterns of numbers. 1, 3, 5. Move in a pattern. Hop, jump, clap. Hop, jump, clap. Make up some patterns of your own. Now we're going to take a quick minute to explore some patterns together. We can use lots of the materials that we used for sorting. We can pattern with colors. Here's an easy one: green, orange, green, orange, green. What comes next? Orange, green. There's a very simple pattern. We can make the pattern more challenging by adding more colors. Orange, blue, yellow. Orange, blue, yellow. What comes next? Orange, next, blue, next, yellow. And you can continue making your pattern. Remember, when you make your patterns, to draw them out on a piece of paper so we can put them in your journal. You can use blocks to make patterns. You can use the caps from pouches to make colored patterns. You can even use different toys and materials. I happen to have these pattern blocks here, and they're great for making patterns. Watch what I can do with these. If you have a set of pattern blocks, you can make patterns that are the same. And see if you can repeat the patterns. Here I'm making different shapes and making the same shape over and over to repeat the pattern. You can also make patterns by lining up the different shapes, like we did with the animals. You can look at the patterns in interesting ways, like, can you make the same shape using different shape blocks? There's so many ways to explore patterns. Have some fun exploring patterns at home. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next week with some more great activities with Science by Sandra.